I have one ripe banana. Then I'm going to add almond flour, 1 cup of almond flour. Then baking powder, 1/4 of baking powder. Then we'll give a mix. With the banana. In this point, you can add butter, 1 teaspoon of butter. And then 1 egg. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. That should be enough. And then mix it. You can use allulose or monk fruit. For today's video, I am using maple syrup and almond flour. Mix it very well. Also adding 2 teaspoons of protein powder. That's it. Now mix it well. So now put this batter in this tray. Now smooth it out like this. Okay, it looks okay now. Then bake it for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now slice it and enjoy this with tea, coffee, or in your dessert or in breakfast. This banana cake is high protein, easy to make, so delicious, and follow for more.